Students, today I am going to explain you the breakdown of glucose by various pathway. In this, I will explain you aerobic, anaerobic, respiration. As you know, aerobic respiration is a respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic respiration takes place in the lack of oxygen in our muscle cells and in absence of oxygen in yeast. When it takes place in absence of oxygen in yeast, it is also known as fermentation. So let's start from here. Glucose is 6 carbon molecule. As you all know, the formula of glucose is C6H12O6. Therefore, it is known as 6 carbon molecule. Glucose enter in the cytoplasm and get converted into pyruvate, which is 3 carbon molecule, with the release of some amount of energy, which is in the form of ATP, that is energy currency, and it is full form is adenosine triphosphate. So when it gets converted into pyruvate in yeast cell, in the absence of oxygen, it will converted into ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. And in our muscle cells, in the lack of oxygen, this pyruvate is converted into lactic acid and energy. This energy is again in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and this ATP is known as energy currency. So in presence of oxygen in mitochondria, glucose get converted into carbon dioxide, water and energy. So this flow chart may come in the exam for 3 mark. So you have to draw the whole flow chart for your to get 3 marks. So again, glucose by 3 ways: anaerobic, these two, this is aerobic. In absence of oxygen is known as fermentation, and it is in yeast, which is non-green plant. And when it occur in muscle cells, lactic acid is produced, and due to this lactic acid, muscular cramp cause in our body, and to get relief of that muscular cramp, we use hot water or we massage the